Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak your iOS 12.4 device untethered with no computer. I'm just going to show you guys this Cydia app is 100% working, has all the features that you need, all the features that you want. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this with no computer. It only takes like 2 minutes to do, so just follow along with me. So the first thing you guys want to do is open up Safari. Okay, and by the way guys, I'm on an iPhone XS, the latest iPhone out right now. So go to the website www.apphacks.co/Cydia. okay, now basically it's a very simple method. It's basically an app injection method. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So once you go there, just click the allow button. Okay, so now what you just did is you'll be installing the Cydia profile. So either just go to profile, download it in your settings, or go to general, profiles. Okay, and you're just going to click on Cydia right there, click install. Okay, I'm just going to enter in my passcode quick. Okay, now once you've done that, so I'm just going to remove those notifications, just click the next button. Okay, now click install, done. Okay, so as you can see, I just updated my Cydia suite. Okay, so what you want to do from here is you just want to open that up. Okay, and now okay, just loaded, perfect. Now as you can see, you have all the features here. It's very simple. Now to complete the installation of Cydia and get access to all the features, so as you can see, I'm going to click on one of the features, so manage account. So now it's going to take me to the injection page. Okay, now to do the injection, basically what the injection is it injects the rest of the files required for Cydia. So just click on start injection and it's going to take you to the injection page. Now basically all you have to do is just follow these instructions. You just install and open 2 apps for at least 60 seconds each to inject the required Cydia content. Okay, so just follow the exact instructions on this web page. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back to the Cydia app. Okay, and now once you're done the injection, Cydia will load. It should only take about 30 minutes after you do the injection. So basically the injection requires just the installation of 2 apps, and what this does, it just bypasses the code signing in Apple security and allows you to get all the Cydia files through these apps. So the files are hidden within the apps that you download and install. And so basically what you do is you just wait 60 seconds, you leave the apps open for 60 seconds, and that should be enough time for all the files for Cydia to transfer over. But guys, it's very important. I know the injection page says to leave each app open for 60 seconds and that's all you have to do, but you need to pay attention to each individual app's instructions. So some apps will tell you install it and play like a game up to level 3, or like sign up or something like that. It's very important that you follow each individual app's instructions exactly as it says, because every step that they tell you is extremely is crucial to the injection process. So make sure you follow each step exactly as it says. The developers didn't put that in there by accident. You really do have to follow what each individual app says. Most of the time you'll be able to just get away with installing and opening 2 apps for 60 seconds each, but sometimes you're gonna have to follow. You're gonna have to go a little bit above and beyond. But honestly guys, it's so worth it. You don't even have to connect your phone to the computer and you get access to so many free paid apps and tweaks for your device. It's awesome guys. So thanks for watching. Have fun, enjoy your jailbroken iOS 12.4 device.